Hello family, you're welcome back again to Natural Growth Secrets. If this is your first time coming across this channel, you are welcome. And to my sweet, amazing returning family, thank you so much. So today's video, we are going to be doing an intensive moisture reviving hair treatment on our mother's hair today, which is my daughter. I am going to be strengthening, protecting her strands, whereby I oil her hair. I am going to be doing the traditional hair washing, oil washing, oil rinsing, oil treatment, whatever you call it. It is going to be packed with a whole lot of amazing tips, step by step, on how I take my daughters from dry hair to a well moisturized hair, full wash day routine for this winter, how I take care of my daughter's hair this winter. Whether dry season or harmattan, this method is going to help you revive your hair and stop breakage. Breakage now this period is everywhere. We experience breakage, we experience excessive dryness. So I'm going to be giving you guys the step-by-step, like I said, for intensive moisture, hydration, and moisturizing routine and step-by-step method. You guys are going to see the full process from taking my daughter's dry hair to a well moisturized hair that will be very soft and less prone to breakage. So guys, I started off with losing my daughter's hair, and while losing, I realized that the hair is just coming off, it's breaking too much. I had to apply a good amount of oil even while taking down the braids. If you have braids on, if you are starting this process with your braids on, go ahead to apply the oil on your braids. You will be able to get your scalp during this period. So go ahead to apply it all over your scalp before even taking down your protective style. So after taking it down, I then go ahead to comb it. While taking it down, before taking it down, the hair was coming off, like breaking while taking down the protective style. Immediately I applied the oil, like I massaged the oil all over a protective style, and then I started taking down the braids, and I noticed that there were less breakage, like her hair was not coming out as I was removing the protective style. Like, I was amazed. So this oil is going to help soften your coils. It is going to help soften your hair, and you will experience less breakage. So you have to have enough oil at hand. So after taking down the braids, I go ahead to apply a good amount of the oil all over our hair. You want to also pay attention to the ends of your hair. This especially helps the ends of your hair. You can warm up the oil just a little bit. If it is too cold, you can warm it up just a little bit, or you can leave it in the normal temperature. So I will apply it to the scalp, to the strands, and also to the ends of our hair as well, making sure that all the hair is well coated, and then you detangle gently. And this, while detangling, is going to be very easy for you because the hair might be softened by now, and also it helps deeply to moisturize the hair. This oil treatment has its own benefits. It just have a benefit on another level, guys. So as you guys can see, I am using a wide tooth comb to detangle the hair step by step, being gentle. So after I am done with the back side, I will move over to the front side. Moving on to washing our hair, firstly you have to rinse the hair with warm water. I am rinsing the hair with warm water, so this will enable to open up our cuticle, and also this is going to help to remove the excess oil on our hair. Our hair is looking very soft. And then I will go in with our baby shampoo, which is Johnson. I'm going to be using the Johnson baby shampoo and the Johnson Kids conditioner today on our hair. So as you guys can see, I am being gentle. I am rubbing our scalp, not scratching. I am rubbing, and also I will be stretching out our hair, so I will not be going rough whereby I try to tangle everything together. No, as you guys can see, I am trying to get to our scalp by rubbing it and stretching our hair like so. So I am also going to try to be using my hand to pat our hair so that I can get into our scalp. Washing only the scalp is fine by me. So I have on a good amount of the shampoo, so you can go in twice or you can go in just once, depending on how clean you feel the hair is. So I'm moving on to rub our hair and then try to go into our scalp, and after that I will go ahead to rinse our hair thoroughly and then go in with a good amount of conditioner. When you do this step, you're going to see results, like your hair is going to flourish, less breakage, less dryness. So you don't have to be selfish of your conditioner. You have to go in with a good amount of conditioner and go ahead to rub it in all over our hair. At this stage, our hair is already very soft. I am using the conditioner because conditioner is very good to help to soften the hair more. It has a lot of amazing benefits. If you want to see, on my last video, I gave you guys some tips and 4 aspects of properly caring for your hair. In case you have not seen the video, I'm going to be leaving it in the link in the description box. That video is packed with a whole lot of amazing benefit that will help you. So go ahead to try out to watch the video if you have not watched the video. So guys, can you see how the hair is well conditioned? So this is what you want your hair to look like this period. You have to make sure to go in with a good amount of conditioner. So, and then you have to also detangle with a wide tooth comb or your detangling brush. The wide tooth comb is fine by me, so I will then cover our hair for another 1 to 2 minutes and then go into properly rinse our hair. I will also be using warm water to rinse the hair. Okay, so I will rinse our hair thoroughly right now. I will go ahead to shower her properly, and I will show you guys the moisturizing routine. So our hair is absolutely very soft. Like, I was superly amazed because this time I used a good amount of oil. Like, the oil does an extremely wonder to your hair. It helps to strengthen and protect, moisturize your strands. The hair oil treatment, it deeply moisturize your hair. It will not allow the shampoo to strip your hair out. It makes your coils very soft, and also coily hair tends to dry much faster than regular hair. So when it dries, it becomes frizzy. Our hair becomes very hard to manage, especially the winter period, especially harmattan or dry season. So your hair tends to be breaking a lot. When you try to do this routine. There are so many steps that you can do, but this routine is absolutely amazing. Like, I find it one of the best doing this dryness, during this winter period. Like, the oil rinsing helps our hair to become extremely soft and less prone to breakage. So moving on to the last step, after the washing process, I won't be using any kind of heat at all. And after drying our hair, you don't want to dry it completely, okay? You don't want to dry the hair completely. You want to also make sure the hair is a little bit damp, okay? So if it is dried, if your hair is starting to dry a lot, just make sure to have a spray bottle of water that you have to spray on your hair. So while moisturizing the hair, make sure the hair is damp. It is not completely dry. You want to work in a damp or a little bit wet hair. So I will go into apply a leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner that I'll be using is for the kids Cantu kids conditioner. So leave-in conditioner, I will apply a good amount of that, and then I will go in to apply my oil serum. I will see that in with my oil serum, and the hair might look dry, but trust me, the hair is absolutely very soft. Guys, when I mean soft, our hair is soft and it is looking absolutely very great. Like, no breakage at all. And to minimize the frizziness on our hair, I'm going to be using the gel that I made. I will be uploading it soon, so stay tuned for the video. I'm going to be using a flaccid moisturizing gel to seal it in, which is going to be our last step. After the leave-in conditioner, then our oil serum, and then I will top it in with the moisturizing flaccid gel. Like, can you guys see when I applied the flaccid gel, like, the frizziness was gone. It was totally gone, and the hair looks absolutely very great. It looks soft, and the coils was even popping the more. So that is what I am going to be doing all over our hair. When you do this step, you're going to see less frizziness, okay? This helps with frizziness. This helps to pop at your coils the more, and it also helps to soften your hair the more. The leave-in conditioner and the oil serum is enough if you don't have the gel, but I recommend, if you want that slicky look, that smooth look, that frizziness to be completely gone, you have to seal it in again. Go in with this moisturizing flaccid gel. If you want to know how to prepare your own moisturizing flaccid gel, I will be uploading the video soon, so make sure to turn on your notification bell and also like this video, so guys, so I know you all are interested in the video. So can you guys see the difference from the right side to the left? Can you guys see the difference? The way the coils is just popping, the way the hair just completely transformed, no more frizziness. Your coils is going to show and look more beautiful. So I will be transforming all her hair with this step. I will show you guys one more time before I finish up with everything. Like, the comb is just passing through. Like, your hair is going to stay soft no breakage at all. Like your hair is going to be defined even when it finally dries.
Yeah, yeah, la, 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 la. Yeah, sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a piece of me, and honestly, my life wouldn't be the same without you. And babe, we're not just friends, are we? More than friends, we just have an end on you. You think I'm stone cold, tripping, man, I'm sick of being teased. I just want below, yeah. Don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no, no, don't lie to me, no. She moves like a dancing queen, she's attending for wings, and all this under my eyes. Please, babe, don't make that move with your eyes. Shut the past is past, but my love still doesn't go away. Don't lie to me about your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes me drown. About what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke. Well, isn't fun, it can stand no more. Don't lie to me, don't lie to me about your chance, about falling in love. What makes you happy is what makes you drown. About what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a silly joke.
I hope you guys love this intensive moisturizing routine. I hope you guys love this method. I hope you guys find it helpful and go ahead to, apply it to your moisturizing winter routine. You're going to definitely see the result of being able to moisturize your hair, stopping the frizziness. I will be uploading the flaxseed moisturizing gel soon, so stay tuned for that. So I will go ahead to band the hair in different sections. You can go ahead to just allow the hair to dry like that. I want to quickly band our hair because we are going out, so the hair is still not properly dried. After it is dried, you are not going to be seeing the whiteness again. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This is an amazing result. Like, our hair is popping, our hair is well moisturized. Like, can you guys see the ends of our hair? After being dried, our hair is really soft even when it was dried. All right guys, I just wanted to show you guys after some days our hair is looking so soft. Can you guys see the coil still popping? Oh my god, our hair was extremely moisturized and hydrated. I hope you guys find this video helpful. I just wanted to quickly show you guys the results. No flakiness at all. Our scalp is looking clean and soft. Our hair is still looking soft. I will be doing a proper protective style. I just wanted her hair to relax after some days. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Bye for now guys, and stay blessed.